Oh my god, it's a Supra! Oh my god, it's a Supra! Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy Teza Boy. Welcome to our next DIY project. Alright, so today I'm going to be changing the oil on my 2008 Lexus Is250 and I'll be working on it, so I'll have my neighbor Dominic help me out. I'll go on. Alright, so this is Dominic, he'll be filming and I'll be changing the oil, servicing the car. Stay tuned. Third one, so it's out. This little thing here is what the cartridge filter is held in by, and you have to get a special filter puller for it. And then the bung for the engine, it's right here, and I think it's a 14mm, but I'll confirm. Alright, so this is the tool you need. It's a cartridge oil filter puller. It works on most of the new vehicles, including the Lexus, and it's held in place by small drive. So we're gonna see if we can pull the bung. Don't remember it's what size. Pull the oil filter, the oil bung. Alright, so 14mm guys pulls the oil bung on the engine. So I'm gonna go ahead and leak out the oil. Some of them normally have a little copper washer. You sure not to bang it when you installing it back into the crankcase span. You don't want to damage the threading and have it leak on you. Alright, so we're going to leave that to leak out a little bit, and then we are going to remove the oil filter. Alright, so I use Valvoline Max Life. It's a synthetic blend, so it's not 100% synthetic, but it's better than a lot of the regular oils. So I would recommend this. And this is the cartridge filter that it uses. So this goes back into the housing there. Alright, so the oil bung is positioned to the right front wheel. So if you jack up the left side of the car, it will help the oil to drain out. You want to get all the old oil out so that when you replace it with the new oil, it's fresh oil circulating your engine. So I'm gonna kind of jack it up to the from the left side over to the right to get out some of the old oil. Be sure to get the jack on the frame of the car so you don't damage anything. You can actually see the oil draining out more since I've done that. I'm gonna see if I can get it up a little higher. So the frame of the car right here is where you want to put your jack stands and the jack. So we are getting a lot more out a lot quicker. Alright peeps, so I forgot to mention, make sure you open the engine cover cap so that way the air can pass through and release the oil better. I'm going to put in back the crankcase pump and then pull the oil filter and get the cartridge out. What you want to do is clean where the washer December 2019. Alright, so if you don't have one of these, you can freelance. Alright, so you want to remove the dipstick. Hey! You can just clean that off, put it to the side. Alright, so if you don't have the scoop, this is the way to do it. The opposite way, not this way, this way. That way you don't get any trickle, you just pour consistently. But I have this, so you can just pour as I like. This is a 4GR, it's a little 2.5 liter V6. Persons who know me know I'm used to a little bit more power from the Alteza days. But this is the daily, so you still have to service and maintain it, make sure it's okay. Double check to make sure you have no leaks. This was there from the oil filter. Alright, so basically that's how you do your oil change DIY. You just save, depending on which garage you go to, you just save about anywhere from 3,500 to probably about 5,000 right there. So it pays to help yourself. Big up to the cameraman. Say yo, what go on? Yeah man, so peeps, stay tuned. Any little mods or upgrades, I keep you guys posted. You can go ahead and like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed it or if you learned something. And overall, follow the channel. A lot of builds going on, so subscribe. You'll regret it if you don't. Alright?